at the request of the Incomplice Police Department. Missing child alert. Police need your help to finding Katia Sharu. She went missing during her salmon run shift. Her parents reported her missing 3 days after not responding to her phone. She's 14 years of age. She's a female inkling. Her eyes are brown. Her native ink color is orange. Height approximately 5 feet. Her weight is 52.2 kilograms. Her co-workers should have been reported her missing as they would have been the last people to see Katia. According to her co-workers, she may have took over time to remain on the ship. This is only information we got. We will have more information as we get from Grizzco.